What's up, Big Brain Tech viewers? Today we're going to be building a wireless mechanical keyboard. Pretty epic. Okay, let's get this disassembled. Now that we got this disassembled, we got the PCB plate, and then it came with some silicone dampening. But first we're gonna do this thing called the tape mod. Tape the back of this to help with the sound of the keyboard. And here we go. And now we got it tape modded. So now we can move on to lubing the stabilizers. So these are clip-ins, so we can just pop them out like so, and then we'll get to lubing this. Okay, now that we got all those lubed and put back into the plate, it's time to move on to some more PCB mods. Okay, so we have some band-aid strips here that I pre-cut. We're gonna be putting them underneath the stabilizers to like make sure they don't rattle against the PCB. So here we go. All right, we got these band-aids on, and now let's reassemble the keyboard. Okay, we got that all put together. Now we gotta put our switches in. So I already went ahead and pre-lubed the switches by hand, and today we're gonna be using Gateron yellows, specifically the K3 variety, but these are like really good for price to performance ratio, and that's kind of the theme of the build. I picked up this wireless keyboard kit for really cheap for Amazon Prime Day, and then these are pretty cheap switches that are really good still. So let's put in the switches. All right, we got all of the key switches in. Looks pretty sick. And now it's time to put on the keycaps with a little bit of magic. All right, we got the keycaps on, and now it's finished. All that's left is to do a sound test.